Consumers out there today, they want to know where their food came from. And now it's not a question of, do you have something sustainable? It's like, well, which kinds of sustainable items do you have in one item?
Fair trade is about improving people's lives. We empower people to solve their own problems by providing resources and tools to farmers and workers.
And in cooperation with the product development team of US Food, we are proud to present you the Devonshire Premium Banana Chocolate Swirl Cake.
I love all desserts, but this one is really a winner.
We use premium quality ingredients. We have the banana cake batter made with the Rainforest Alliance banana puree and fair trade sugar, and a chocolate cake batter made with a fair trade cocoa powder, and swirl both of the batter together to create this very unique texture marble effect.
To finish it off, we topped it with the brown butter icing and a swirl of chocolate on the top and shortbread crunch on the side. Every single one's gonna have a little bit of a different swirl because they're done one at a time by hand. It's not a cookie cutter cake.
This product comes ready to use.
It's already pre-cut. It's got papers between each slice. Just plate it up and it's ready to go. One of the great things about this product is we know that you're helping support families and communities.
By purchasing this fair trade certified product, you can rest assured that farmers and workers are protected and that they're given a premium to invest in projects to help themselves and their communities.
It is a big plus for us to be able to tell a story behind a chocolate cake. And that's important because they're going to be able to go to the table like, oh my God, you're not going to believe this. We've got this like banana chocolate swirl cake made from fair trade Calibo chocolate and Rainforest Alliance bananas, and it is unbelievable. You've got to try one.
Premium ingredients, excellent presentation, helping make the world a better place one dessert at a time.